folks. I want to show you something today. Something I recently learned. It's really cool. I am going to make hard-boiled eggs, except I'm not going to use boiling water. I am going to cook these in the oven, in there. So let me show you how to do that. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed or liked this video, please do that. So we're going to make these eggs, and in the description will be the recipe. And the recipe is this. You put it in a muffin tin, and so I've got these mini muffin tins. This is a new one that I'm trying. Put your eggs in there, and then you set it in the center of the oven for 30 minutes. The oven preheated to 350 degrees. So you slip them in there, and you pull them out after 30 minutes. And voila, you have hard-boiled eggs. So when you're done, you pull out these hard-boiled eggs after 30 minutes, and they're perfect. Immediately from taking them out of the oven, put them in ice water. Now they're real easy to peel. Let's peel them in a line. Good. And I'm not a professional. The eggs peeled very easily. And now the important part. Very good. So that's how they turn out. They turn out very good. And if I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching.